Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. In this video, I really wanted to try the bangle nail trend, but it's me, so I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it my way. And I'm using medium coffin shaped nails today. So first off, we're starting with Kiara Sky Yummy Gummy Jelly Tint. I am doing 2 coats of Yummy Gummy. Next, I am using this rainbow hollow cat eye gel from Born Pretty, and I'm just going to do one layer of this. If you haven't seen me use this before, it doesn't really pop much when it is in normal natural lighting. At the end of the video, I turn the lights off and I just use the flash of my phone camera to show you all what it actually looks like. I still haven't taken it outside in the sunlight to see how it looks, but maybe I'll do that this week. For this nail, I did see something, I think it was on Instagram, I'll post a picture. I saw a nail design that inspired me to try to do my own version. I think it looks so cute and so cool. I really wanted to try it. By the way, I know I haven't posted my birthday nail video yet, and it's because I literally haven't done it. The week of my birthday, I was just busy, and then the night before my birthday, I just wanted to eat shrimp scampi and do nothing with my husband. The day of my birthday, we woke up early, we made breakfast, and then we spent like the whole day at the Toledo Zoo. It was such a fun day, and our daughter is old enough to walk around the zoo this time, and it was just so cute to see her look at everything, and oh, she's just so cute. Anyways, I am now using the 3D floating gel from Born Pretty, and I'm going to use my dotting tool to create a heart. Watching this back, I realized that this kind of looks like I'm just playing the same clips over and over again, but I'm not. I'm doing both nails with the 3D floating gel. I just decided to show you guys that I'm doing both of them for some reason. For the heart, I am going to go over it with BallPit nails, Coven Cutie. It is slightly fluorescent, pearlescent, hot pink. It is just a little bit sheer, so I am doing 2 coats of this. Here are my heart nails. They came out really cute. And now we are going to move on to the bangle nail. So for the base, I am using Pink Your Poison from the Kiara Sky Gel Pro collection. It is a sheer pinkish nude base color. I will be doing 2 coats of this. Here's what 2 coats looks like. And now I'm going to take my BallPit Nails Fantasy Clay in Crystal Clear to create the bangles. The stuff is really thick, so it's perfect for doing 3D stuff like this. I just use an orange wood stick to take it out, and then I'm going to take like a piece of palette paper and roll it out. When you're rolling this out, you want to make sure you don't go too thin. If it doesn't look exactly even when you apply it, it's okay, because I'm going to be taking a silicone tool to smooth it out. Once you place it where you want, just cut off the ends. For this bangle, I am inserting some teeny tiny little rhinestones. I have some colored ones that I don't really use a whole lot, so I'm trying to use them up. After I applied them, I just took my silicone tool with a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it to smooth it out. And then I'm going to apply a second bangle, but this one I'm just leaving plain. I am painting over the bangles with Cub and Cutie. Now, a lot of people do this with gold chrome powder, but obviously, like I said, I'm doing this my way. I'm going to make it cute. You can also mix the gel polish with the fantasy clay. You can use some colored 3D clays and gels and what have you. I just didn't feel like making a mess, and I also don't have colored clays. I haven't bought any just because I don't do like the 3D stuff enough to really justify buying them. Just so you all know, my microphone died in the middle of recording this, and the other one needs charge too, so I am just talking into my phone, so I apologize for any sound discrepancies. Now we're gonna do the final nail. I'm using Pink Your Poison again for a base color. I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do with this nail. All I knew was that I wanted to use these little teddy bear charms that I've had for a couple years now. I only used them once in a video. In the middle, I am applying a glob of rhinestone gel, and then I'm going to apply my little teddy bear charm. Isn't this little guy so cute? I have a few different colors. I got these from Daily Charm. I don't know if they still sell them. I assume they still do. On both sides of the little bear, I'm applying just a teeny tiny dot of rhinestone gel, and I'm going to apply some tiny rhinestones. Now it is time to top coat everything, and I started out using the Born Pretty top coat, but I realized that this was kind of thick for some reason. I don't know why. I don't remember it being that thick the last time I used it. it just wasn't gonna work for this design, so I switched over to my Kiara Sky non-white top coats because it is a lot thinner. And I apologize, this top coating segment is way chaotic than what I usually do. Usually it's pretty straightforward, but I was having a little bit of trouble today. And plus with the 3D design, I just wanted to make sure I got everything coated properly. And I also need a new nail art stand because the magnets on it are getting pretty weak. And we have made it to the final reveal. As promised, I turned the lights out and I am recording with my phone flash on to really capture the rainbow cat eye gel. I think this set came out really cute. I'm really proud of it. And if you liked it, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you know every time I upload. I am so close to 300 subscribers, so who wants to be lucky number 300? Just let me know. Anyway, as always, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.